So there's one more product I'd like to introduce you. So let's take a comparison on this wheel. So this one in my hand on my right, it's look quite obvious, right? So it's a fat spoke design. I'll just lay down this one. So it's very obvious. It's fat spoke. We do have a 36 spoke design here, but it's not traditional spoke wheels. It's a casting wheel. We combine the traditional steel wheel, the spoke wheels, into this to make them in one piece. So this is a casting wheel with a chrome finish. I know it's really hard to judge from the to the side of the wheel, but when I turn the rim part, the inner rim part 2, you will see very obvious. You don't have any spoke holes here, so which means it's one-piece design and also it's tubeless. So this is a quite concept we have. It's a quite new product we brought onto the market since I think about 1.5 years ago, like last year. It's a casting wheel with fab. I just personally call them like fat spoke design casting wheel, Harley wheels. So they are all for Harleys. So we do have different sizes. We do have 16 inches, a very traditional size. We do have 19 inches and the 21 for the front. So I do have the 19 inches here. So 36 dual disc and also bearings installed already. We do provide the different bearing sizes. We do have the 25, the 1 inch or the 1/4 inch, or 3/4 inch, so 3/4 inch bearings. So as you can see, this one is different pieces, like assembled wheels compared to the steel wheels. They have the similar concept, but all in different pieces. But this one is totally new idea of the Harley wheels. I will not say for the traditional sport bikes or street bikes, because the normal street bikes, they're all using spoke OEM wheels when they come out from the factory. So what we did here is to bring the new idea to put the casting wheels into the spoke Harley wheels to make it unique. And we do have a very big advantages here on the casting wheels compared to the steel wheels. The weight. The weight is much more light than compared to the steel spoke wheels. And also the color choices we have here, because we already mentioned on the rims for this casting pieces. So when it's come to casting pieces, we do have different color choices, paintings, so all kind of colors, plus the chrome. You can see very shiny the chrome I do have here. Also, we have black one, the black ones, silver, gold, red, yellow, blue, any color you you just name it. So also come down to the brick system here. I do have the dual disc here. On my hand, I do have a single disc, different sizes, different discs, and also casting wheels. They need a mold to finalize the product, so you don't have to pay extra the molds cost on this. But if you have any ideas of the spoke design, just for example, you don't like the 36, you wanted to add up to 72 or 48. That is workable for us. We just open a new mode for you. Then that's it. Then we do the machinings just like inside to indicate the different. Even we can make different diameter of the spokes with different different CNC machining programs to complete. Also, the PCD hose is changeable as well. The center hose, diameter of the center hose is changeable as well. So to fit different shaft. So also we provide extra. In our wheel set, we also provide different sizes of spacers. Just allows you to use different shafts. So you might take very obviously here. I do have different sizes of the spacers. Allows you to. Sorry, it's a bit hard to hold. So. This might easy. Yep, we do have different inner diameters of the spacers. So if you have different sizes of the shaft, you just replace different. You just need to replace different sizes of the spacers to make it easy for you to change the shaft, and they may fit different bikes. It's very easy insertion. It's all come within the box in the whole set. And as I mentioned already, and in the beginning when we mentioned the front wheel for our V-Road, so we do provide different bearings as well. So different bearings, different spacers. It's come up to the idea how we provide different choices for you. If you want to fit in different bikes and for multi-purpose of use of your bikes. And the size I already mentioned, we have the 16 traditional size, we have the 19, 21, even 18 as well. You can find the information just in our store to get more information or chat with our representatives to get more ideas or ask a price. And I mentioned the price for the products here. So I want to make a difference with steel spoke wheels with our casting wheels. It's normally it's judged from the MSRP prices. It's almost like a third, or even or some is just one half. I mean, half of the price of the spoke steel wheels. So it's quite a good. It's quite a good choice to consider. You have to own such of a pair of these wheels in different colors. I mean, in just you can buy multi sets in different colors, just to see how you can change the wheels. I know it's complicated to change wheels, but if you can have wheels in different times and in different colors, I think you will have much fun and enjoy the ridings. So I'll just leave it here.